Alright, this is how a power steering pump pulley puller works. You can see on this pulley here, you've got this like raised lip here. What you're going to do is take this piece, it's got this ring on the outside, and then these two guys right here. What you're going to do, stick that like that so it goes around, and then you'll take this guy here and you're going to need to have it all the way out. Alright, you have it screwed all the way out like that, and you set it in here. Those pieces go together, this ring goes around the outside, and then you put a socket on the outside of here, and you have a wrench that holds that. You screw that down, 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 and eventually what that does is pushes on the shaft of the pump and pulls the pulley off. So then, let's see, now you're ready to put the pump or pulley back on the pump, your new pump. Get all this stuff out of here. Make sure you're got a clean surface here to mate them together. And then you're going to get this guy out. There's several different styles here. Get the one that fits down here and threads into the shaft of the pump. You're going to screw that down in there. You want to screw that all the way down as far as it'll go. And then you're going to just basically tighten this down and have a wrench up or a ratchet up here, hold that, make sure it doesn't turn, and you just screw this down, and it just pushes that pulley back down onto the pump shaft. So I hope that helps you out. Give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Thank you.